Hello everyone, my name is Ashwant. Today let us discuss about emerging trends and technology in mechanical engineering. We have five sectors in the trends and technology in mechanical engineering. They are energy sector, manufacturing sector, automotive sector, aerospace sector and the marine sector. Firstly, let us talk about the energy sector. Under energy sector, we have renewables. Renewable energy helps to preserve the environment as it produces minimal to zero harmful emissions. The basic principle of using the renewables is to extract it from a constant source in the environment like sun, the wind, or the geothermal source, etc. Next, let us talk about the Internet of Energy. Internet of Energy is a technological term that refers to the upgrading and automating of electricity infrastructures for energy producers and manufacturers. Next, let us talk about the energy. Energy is nothing but the storage energy. Storage enables stable pricing by protectively managing demand from customers by having the opportunity to purchase energy for future use. Next, the blockchain of the energy sector. Blockchain is nothing but the technology intends to unite all energy stakeholders under a single decentralized network. Electricity producers, distribution network operators, and metering operators, providers of financial services, and traders potentially benefit from utilizing smart contracts. Next, we have the emerging trends and technology in manufacturing sector. The first one is the accessible automation. Automation in the manufacturing world is not entirely new, but widespread adoption of the practice is new. New technologies have made automation more accessible to more manufacturers and are changing the way companies operate. Automation for all is the next step in the industry. Next, we come across the mobile robotics. One of the primary drivers of the manufacturing trend is autonomous mobile robots. While robots used to mean ultra sophisticated technology that require trained robotics. Next, we come across the Internet of Things. The IoT is helping manufacturers connect and monitor the various components of their operations. Next, we have the universal connectability. What are we calling universal connectability is the idea that technologies are now being made to connect with any device or system. Next, uh, we have the enterprise resource planning. ERP system help manufacturers automate different areas of operations under one comprehensive system. Next, we have the emerging trends and technology in automotive sector. In that we have the autonomous vehicles (AV). The autonomous vehicles or self-driving vehicles aim to minimize the need for human drivers and look poised to transform everyday transportations. Next, we have the electrification. The depleting fossil fuel reserves and the harm to the environment caused by their use call for promoting the use of electric vehicles. For greater adoption, EVs need to address issues such as high price, poor battery, inadequate charging, etc. Then we have the shared mobility. With connected vehicles, new business models have come up that focus on shared mobility as an alternative to traditional vehicle ownership. Then we have the artificial intelligence. It is one of the most important sector. We have in that machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision find application in robotic automation within the automotive industry. Next, we have the human machine interface. As self driving cars and connected cars transform the automotive landscape, it will fundamentally change how drivers interact with vehicles. Next, we have the emerging trends and technology in aerospace sector. Advanced materials. Innovative materials can be used in a wide variety of areas, from lighter, more agile aircraft and emerging hypersonic systems to personal protection equipment, and anywhere risks of damage can be reduced. Next, we have the additive manufacturing or else known as 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, that utilize significantly less material than other comparable traditionally manufactured parts. Next, supersonic flights. Supersonic flights is when an aircraft travels faster than the speed of sound. U.S. airline United has announced plans to buy the 15 new supersonic airlines and return the supersonic speeds to aviation in the year 2029. Next, we have the artificial intelligence again in the aerospace sector. The aerospace technology industry is also benefiting from artificial intelligence and the use of machine or active learning in research and education. Next, we have the autonomous flight system. Implementing autonomous technology has been a growing trend across several industries, and the aerospace industry is no exception. In digital route, next we have the emerging trends and technology in marine sector. In marine sector, the digital route management of ships. However, ships can often have journeys lasting several months, and it is not feasible to accurately predict the condition in advance. Real-time route management can plan a major role in improving the journey duration and the efficiency. Next, smart autonomous control. On land, self-driving cars use autonomous technology to make decisions based on the route they traverse. This includes detecting pedestrians, other cars, and traffic signals as well as remaining on the road. Next, the smart propulsion systems. With a higher degree of control comes a higher risk of damage to the equipment or the vessel itself. Thus, entrusting control of the propulsion system to smart technology enables a computer to make decisions and control the equipment with a high level of accuracy. Smart defense technology. Implementing the smart technology in these domains would allow navies to become self-reliant and extremely efficient. For instance, during times of war, provision and firing equipment to control ships such as aircraft carriers can be a major task. Thank you.